Okay, we're on Pattaya Beach Road, baby, and we just found this little place behind us called Cadillac Wave Hotel.
Such a paradise on earth, my darling. Let's we check it out.
Okay.
Makan siang dari Pattaya. Sangat
I love all these different little things they think of in Thailand. Very creative. This hotel obviously has room for Cadillacs in it. Maybe, maybe not. But certainly unusual, that's for sure. Wow. All the way to the top and back over to the beach. Nice skirt, dress, shorts, whatever. Nice butt. We're heading over to the food court because my son has a, shall we say, a taste bud for Aussie KFC. Thai style. Wow, look at this, baby. This is cool. Certainly a lot of variety of food here, baby.
Oh, absolutely, my darling. You can choose. Durian.
So Alex, we're at KFC, and what did you order?
Chicken burger.
Is that a zinger?
Yes.
And fries, and a large Pepsi. Okay. Do you think you're going to be able to eat all that?
Yes.
Mama, what do you got there?
I have chicken and roll and also large Pepsi.
Oh, okay. Wow. So thumbs up to
Look
both
at
of you.
that. So juicy. It's wrapped like Mexican food, taco and stuff like that.
Choco. Taco. Okay.
Delicioso.
หันออกจ้าโซนหนึ่งมาดามรัสเซียจ้า3 อย่างนี้
Bukan.
Okay, Alex wants a pink donut, 50 baht. So it's $2.50 for a donut. Thank you.
คอมเมนต์นะคะ ขอบคุณค่ะมิสเตอร์
Kapun cup. On bread. Talk. Hey man. Certainly busy around here.
Hello, my beloved husband. We are in Pattaya, Thailand. And have a look at it's a Pattaya Beach. Whoa, look at that cafe.
And look at that good-looking guy.
Yeah. Oh, look at my beloved husband, Richard Michael Robinson. What are you up to there? You challenge yourself. Woo, my goodness. This is so adventurous. Whoa, my darling. Hang in there. Be careful, okay?
Okay.
Woo, we are in Pattaya. Wow.
Sunset over Pattaya Beach.
My beloved husband, Richard Michael Robinson. Hello, my darling.
Oh, Don, are you filming me?
Yes, for sure.
Well, I'm filming you too.
Because you are a truly YouTuber.
Ooh.
Lihat di sana, Besti. Ada banyak sekali skyscrapers, ya. Di sini ada banyak bule-bule turis dari mancanegara.
So this is a pancake with pastry, egg, banana, condensed milk and chocolate. 60 baht. And this man is the master. You the master? Of course you are. Wow.